Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can shop from Faceit. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to open our account. And after opening the account, as you can see now, we have to go to the shop section. And after going to the shop section, as you can see, you will be able to see all the details here, and you can see the prices as well, 1.99. And these are the, as you can see now, these all the prices are mentioned here. Now simply I'm going to click on this. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we don't have 100 FP currently right now. We need to pay the $1, and after that we have to provide the nickname here. As you can see, I'm going to click on the I'm going to provide my nickname, so let's provide that. I don't have when you have the money, you just have to click on the order, and that thing will be added in your account. So as you can see, nickname change, select the payment method. You can also change this, and after that you just have to hit the order, and that will be purchased. So in this way you can purchase any kind of thing. As you can see, bullets, CA, smoke, you can purchase each and everything. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do the shopping, or that you can purchase different things on your Faceit. So see you guys in the next video.